A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings, welcome back or welcome to the channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is NAJEE and we're doing a series on miracles, signs and wonders that Jesus and his disciples performed. So if you haven't done so already, make sure you like the video, subscribe, comment and share. I read from Luke 14 verses 1 to 6. One Sabbath, when Jesus did go near our important Pharisee yard, the guests them did a watch him like hawk. One man where suffer from swell up hand and foot did in front of Jesus. Jesus asked the law teacher them and the Pharisee them say, if you get people better upon the Sabbath, you have brought the law? Them not answer him. Jesus hold the man and make him better, then send him away. Jesus asked them say, which one of you, if you have one boy picnic or one cow we drop in a one well upon the Sabbath, now go draw them out same time? Them couldn't answer that need. A God word this? Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.